Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn off super power saving mode in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to off guys your super power saving mode. So as you can off it, and guys now let's see how to off. Guys, you don't know how to off it, so don't worry, in this video I will show you friends. So when you open your phone, and guys you can see these icons like the settings. So how can you off it? So friends, you can see there are right side guys these two options, so you will have to click on this left option. Then as you can see your exit super power saving mode, friends tap here to turn off. So is your super power saving mode will off in your Realme phone guys, you can check friends. So like that guys, you can off your super power saving mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video friends with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.